Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make scrapbook pages using this an aluminium foil. Now you'll say, what Mansi? An aluminium foil? Yes, you heard it right, an aluminium foil. Now my mom was packing lunch for my dad and she had some foil left in the old pack and she had to open a new one. So instead of just throwing it away, she gave it to me because she knows that I collect scrap and I use it in scrapbooking. And when I saw this piece of foil, I thought that it's shiny and we can do something out of it. Even if it is not the prettiest thing, we can still work with this. So in this video, I'm going to show you two ways in which you can make scrapbook pages using some aluminium foil. So let's get started. So that's it for this video. I'm really sorry that at times the light was reflecting from the aluminum foil, but I tried my best so that you can get the exact picture of what was happening in the video, and I really like how this turned out. I was worried that it would look messy and just like we have stuck up anything in this page, but it looks beautiful and I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy scrapbooking.